I've installed FastExcel and I'm going to test it in one of the workbooks that I use every day. So right now I'm on the Home tab, and there are 3 tabs because I have the full package here: FastExcel Speed Tools, Manager Pro, and Profiler. I'm going to use tools on the Profiler. I'll test the drill down in a minute, but first I'm going to use this check workbook. So I'll click here, and it doesn't take long. It creates another file and shows a report in there. So this one tells me there are a lot of temporary files that I can use a tool to clear up. We've also got some issues with used ranges, errors. Oh, that's a lot of errors on a daily log, so I could check that out. And unique formulas, there's a high number on some sheets. So that's a quick way to get an overview of your workbook and things you can check right away. Next, I'm going to use the drill down, which is this new one-click tool in FastExcel version 4. It takes a bit longer because it's going to check the whole workbook and figure out which are the worst of up to 5 worksheets and then find the worst formulas on those sheets. So I'll click and it will ask for some confirmations. Unsaved changes will be lost. So before I ran this, I saved, so I'm good with that. So the first sheet is for the workbook, which looks like the report that I ran a minute ago. And then there are different sheets here that give formula reviews of up to the 5 worst sheets. So on this one, I can see the sheet name here is Project Work, and it's pinpointed some areas that I might want to look at. This formula is taking a lot of the sheet time, and the same for this one. It shows me orange cells here, so it just takes a couple of minutes to get started with that, the DrillDown Profiler. Click that, and a couple of minutes later you've got a good start on figuring out where the bottlenecks are in your workbook and things you can focus on for the maximum improvement in the shortest amount of time.